Hey everyone, welcome to Jason Explains Things. I have another awesome Toyota 4Runner video for you today. So if you are fans of my channel, you've probably seen the 4Runner already. We've been taking it on family adventures, camping, overlanding, a little bit of rock crawling, and I absolutely love it. It's a family favorite already, but it has a common issue that a lot of 4Runner owners complain about, and that is the throttle response delay. The times I notice this issue the most are when I'm trying to merge onto the freeway, and I have what a lot of people like to use to fix this issue, which is the pedal commander. Focus, thank you. Now, if you're not familiar with the pedal commander, it is a Bluetooth module that gets installed in between your gas pedal and the truck's computer, and it gives you different levels of throttle response speed from Eco, which is your gas mileage saving mode, all the way up to Sport Plus, which is the racing mode. I don't know if you do track days in a 4Runner. That's the one you'd use. I'm gonna do a full install and review of the pedal commander on my 4Runner, including how to use the phone app, which a lot of videos don't cover. But let's be real for a second. There are already hundreds of pedal commander videos on YouTube with people going, whoa, awesome! And I think that honestly, the reason for that is we all have cognitive bias. We all maybe bought this when there was a really well-targeted Instagram ad that just got us that time, and then we purchased this. So we install it, we wanna like it. So what I'm gonna do to avoid this issue is once the install is done, my wife is gonna take the first drive, and we're gonna have some cameras rolling, and I'm gonna get her honest impression. She knows I'm installing something today, but she doesn't know what it is. So I think this is gonna be really fun, and we're gonna have a really honest review. Let's get this box open and get this in the truck. Okay, let's take a look at what you get. Take the cover off, there's the module there. We got our wiring where we're gonna be installing to the gas pedal later. Then we got some alcohol swabs for mounting it. We got some mounting Velcro right here, some zip ties, and as always, very important for us dudes, instructions. All right, the install of this guy should only take a couple minutes, but there are some important notes before we get started. You want to keep your key fobs 35 feet away from your 4Runner for 10 minutes, and you want to have your driver's side door open for 10 minutes before you do this. So I think we're right at time. So let's put this in. All right, cool, let's do this. So most people mount their module right here. It's a nice place where you can actually touch the buttons and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that too. Feed our wires underneath the steering wheel here. Reach up and grab that. All right, so we got a little alcohol wipe right here. We're gonna clean this spot off. Velcro, just like that. And let's go right there. That looks good. Cool. Okay, right here you can see the wiring harness that we're gonna be using here. We just push in the little tab and pull up. There we go. One end of the pedal commander. Click in like that. And then your other end goes up and in like that. Now, all we have to do is clean up our wiring with some zip ties, and we're ready to go. It's easy as that. Install's done, let's turn it on. Powering up there. Looks like it's set to city right now, which is what I'm gonna start with. Apparently city's kind of our sweet spot, so we'll do city +1. But before we go, let me show you how to set up the phone app. Oh, and I've already downloaded it, how nice. We agreed to all sorts of things. Hey, don't show my allow while using the app. I'm gonna blur my, my location. Okay, cool, let's hit connect. Yes. Add pedal commander. Unknown device. Enter code behind your pedal commander. Enter a name for your pedal commander device. So again, as you can see here, we can change our modes. Sport, Sport Plus, Eco. Caution, pedal, oh no, decreased. Cancel that. So we'll stay with city, and we're changing it to +1. Okay. All right, well, we got the phone app working. That is awesome. Let's go grab Amy and go for a test drive.
Well, Daphne's going to.
I didn't want you to come. Get in your seat, kids. Do you know what I've done?
You've cleaned my car.
I did do that. But you don't know what else I did?
No.
Okay. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Do you notice anything yet?
Oh, it's a little peppier, for sure.
Happier. Okay.
Like more responsive.
More responsive. Well, that was fast.
Yeah, it's way more responsive, like get up and go. It doesn't have the throttle of a truck.
Hey, I think she guessed it pretty quick. That took
my
like,
gosh.
how long did that take? 10 seconds?
Yeah.
So if you look down right here,
Oh, I didn't even see that.
I installed a pedal commander. So what that does is it gives you different throttle response settings. It makes your throttle more responsive and a little touchier.
Well, that was worth it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
I was pretty sure you'd know about it pretty quick, but I didn't think it'd be that easy. I want to try it now. But yeah, let's go for a drive.
All right.
Sweet.
We're going.
Should we try sport?
Should we try sport?
Yeah.
Let me pull over somewhere so we can do that.
Well, you just don't just put your foot off the gas
Okay.
and I'll change it.
Foot is off the gas.
Okay, we are
Foot.
changing to sport. All right, we're gonna do a pass. Go ahead and pass him.
In my sport mode.
In sport mode.
Oh, hey, that's noticeable right there.
Bye.
Okay, that's noticeable right there.
Cool.
Passing that guy.
Very good.
Fire drill!
Wow.
Definitely more responsive, isn't it?
Whoa. That is an honest
I can't press anything.
It feels like I can control it a lot better. It's like, yeah, I just don't have to, as I'm used to just having to mash the pedal and then wait and then go vroom.
Yeah.
So and now it's just like, just goes. I mean, it's not, again, it's not any faster, but I think that people complain about the 4-liter engine being slow just because honestly, it's just the throttle programming is a little off. This kind of fixes it. Well, that was a complete success. Really happy with the pedal commander. Give that 2 thumbs up. Honestly, it is definitely worth the $300 that they charge. Well, guys, give this video a like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Jason Explains Things for more awesome 4Runner videos. We've got a new roof rack. We've got new LED fog lights and interior lights coming. We've got Molly panels, all sorts of stuff coming in the next several months on my truck. So until next time, God bless, and don't forget to do it yourself.
My truck,
It's my truck too, sort of.
but mostly mine.
No, it's mine.
Hehehe